Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is bundle time. What does the word bundle mean at the Stamps of Life? It means that you save more money, right? Okay, so this is how it works. We, on the 1st, release our club set, Stamps and Dies, and that's a different video. Then I always have other add-ons that I wanted to do. I need extra this, I need extra that, different things like that, right? Well, I put all of those together, and as an optional purchase, you can buy them all separately, sure. And the first 24 hours they're on the website, they are on flash sale, yay. Club members also get their club discount, yay, double yay, right? But the bundle is a little special because what I do is I take all of the add-on items, not the club pieces, because you're already getting those, right? All the add-on pieces, and I put them in one package. And what does that mean? That means you save even more money. You save an extra 5%. So first we have our everyday low price. Then we have our flash sale price. Then we have our club discount. Then you get an extra, or I don't know, the discounts might go a different way, I don't know. But anyway, you're also getting an extra 5%. Just because you got the whole bundle. Awesome, right? So if you get the whole bundle, boom, you are there, you get it all, and you are gonna love it. Now, let's look at them really quick because they're so awesome, but I'm going to really talk to you about it in a minute. So we have this one, we have the wreath, we have the birdie dies, we have the fun poinsettias, we have the other extra birdies, and we have the words. So go to the other video, go check it out, but get the bundle ASAP because you know what? It's amazing. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.